Hello guys, let us look at the concept of speed versus velocity. Would you say an object in a uniform circular motion has a constant velocity? Before we can answer this question, let's look at the concept of speed. What is speed and what is velocity? Speed is a scalar quantity. It means it is measured in its magnitude without direction. It has a value in terms of magnitude, but it is not defined in terms of direction. On the other hand, velocity is a vector quantity, and velocity is a speed that is traveling in a given direction. So velocity is described in both magnitude and direction. So let's look at this circular motion, for instance. If an object is moving around this circle at a constant rate, we can define such motion as a uniform circular motion. Such objects moving at a constant rate around this circle will be moving at a given speed, and so we can describe the speed of that object as a constant speed. Why is it a constant speed? It is a constant speed because it is moving at a uniform rate, and that uniform rate of motion is what defines that speed as a constant speed. So if the object was moving at a rate of 5 meters per second, it keeps moving around this circle at that rate of 5 meters per second, and we can say the object is moving at a constant speed of 5 meters per second. However, you will agree with me that the object is continually changing direction at the tangent to the circle. Where is the tangent to the circle? Tangent to the circle is any point around the circumference of the circle. So as the object is moving around, at this point, the direction of the object is tangential to the circle in this direction. At this point, the direction will be like this. At this point, direction is like this. The direction at every instantaneous point around this object or around the circular path is tangential to the circle. So you can see that the object is constantly changing direction as it is moving around the circle. It is constantly changing direction. Even though the speed is constant, the direction is constantly changing. You will agree with me that if it was a stone that was moving or a car that was moving around this circle and it missed its track at this point, you will find the car or the object moving straight in this direction. So at any point around the circle that the object missed its track, it will move straight up in the opposite direction, because that is the direction of the car at every point, or the direction of the object at every point around the circle. Therefore, we can say that an object moving round a circle has its direction changing constantly. And we've said that velocity is defined in magnitude and direction. So if the direction is constantly changing, but the magnitude of the speed is not changing, we can't call that a constant velocity, because the speed is constant, but the direction is changing constantly. So we can say conclusively that because of the constantly changing direction, a uniform circular motion has no constant velocity, but it has a constant speed. I hope you enjoyed the lesson. Thank you very much for watching.